What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of It's Snack Time, yo. It's your host, Roxas O'Devious, back at it again. I'm here with Giovanni Alamel over here, aka Spliff Rican.
Was good.
And on today's episode of It's Snack Time, yo, we're going to try new, limited, and exclusive snacks. So, let's dig in. Alright, Giovanni, what do you want to try first? Chipotle one? Okay.
Yeah.
See,
Pringles Wavy Chipotle Ranch.
I'm not really... Like, the flavor sounds really good. The only thing, though, the wavy is always disappointing.
Really?
Yeah.
This is actually my first time trying Wavy Pringles.
Really?
Yeah.
This is...
Why? They like...
They lack flavor. They don't put too much flavor. That's the thing that I hate about the wavy chips.
Tingle my nose. Mmm.
These actually have flavor?
Mmm.
These have flavor.
Mmm. Mmm. Got like a smokiness to it.
You know what it tastes like? They're barbecue chips.
Yeah, that's where that smokiness come from. No more.
Nah.
I'm gonna give these 8.5.
Did you taste the Chipotle though?
Yeah.
It reminds me a lot of the barbecue chips.
No, yeah, I agree. They're
Give
good,
it 7.5.
though. 7.5. Okay.
Alright. I got the next thing.
Curious as to what you're going to choose. Yeah, I was gonna say.
Think about these. Boom. Spicy dill pickle.
Yup. Those Jason Tatum sneakers are ugly. I'm sorry, but they're ugly.
Oh, dude. You know, this is one of the flavors that kind of came out with chips. Ooh, you can smell that dill pickle.
You can.
I like that.
Wonder what would make you smile.
Alright. Sorry for the minor inconvenience. Battery died. That's my fault. Should have changed it.
This guy, man, lacking.
It's fine though. So, we'll try it on camera.
He likes them. Let's just be honest. They're pickle.
They're very good. They're really good.
I give them a 7. They're good.
They're really good. These are 9.
9. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but I just like pickles as pickles, and I don't like pickle flavored things like that. They're good though. They're really good.
And choose the next thing.
Yes, sir. I know exactly what we're gonna choose. We're gonna save that for last. Pizza flavored goldfish, extra
blast.
cheesy. Extra cheesy.
I'm excited for these because those extra flavors were always pretty good. Ooh, this smells like it smacks. Alright. Try one first.
Well good. This is good.
They're good. I don't know.
They're not blast.
I don't
I
feel
don't-
like there's extra right?
Yeah. No, I don't. Like,
It just feels like the regular pizza one.
yeah. I feel like they could have definitely just dumped these in the powder and been like, boom.
They should have put more flavor into them.
Yeah.
This
These
tastes
are
like
7.
Kind of disappointed me.
Silly goldfish. Silly. They're good though.
They're good.
Flavor's there. It just
6.5.
needs more flavor. But the
6.5.
flavor's there.
Only because flavor could have been better.
Could have been powdery more
Mhm.
powdery.
I don't want to taste plain goldfish with the extra flavor blasted.
Mm-hmm.
I want to taste no goldfish. I'll taste seasoning in my mouth. That's it.
No goldfish. Just seasoning.
Thinking about that.
Take that into account, Pepperidge Farm.
Yeah, just like sprinkle the seasoning in there. I'll just like, you know.
Not even sprinkling.
Nah.
Dump that shit. Dude, poof. I want to be able, when I open the bag, it goes woof.
Yup.
Like I see the dust.
Like it hits my face like
Exactly.
I breathe that in and I'm crying. Because
Exactly.
there's too much.
Like even combo, you know combos, those pretzels?
Yeah, they have a
They're
lot.
drenched in the powder.
Hmm. They haven't done new combos in a long time.
I actually haven't seen combos anywhere now that I'm thinking about it. Like every
Mhm.
time I go to the store or deli or wherever, I don't really see combos like that.
That's crazy.
I was never a big fan of combos, but like I just don't see them out.
No. I'll get that last thing. Giovanni's excited.
Oh yeah.
I'm not really excited because they're pretty hot.
Hot ones.
Yeah, some more hot stuff.
I remember when he first started with the Snapchat, I looked into it and I really wanted to get the hot sauce, but they were always sold out. Oh!
Oh, that has a kick.
Oh!
My nose. My nose.
My one
My
nostril that
nose.
was working is
My
now on
nose.
fire.
What the fuck? I thought that was like a. That's just a lightning bug.
Oh no, I'm smacked the fuck up. Yo!
I thought that was a dog hitting me. Like, Sparky, you're not out here.
Woo! That'll clear up your sinuses for sure. I'm pretty sure you want that little chip on top.
Yes, because I'm not ready for this. Pray for me.
Welcome to Hot One. No, boy.
It smells like an actual pepper. What kind of pepper is this before I try this? Open camera to know. Dare to scan.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. It's good. The flavor's good though, but it's spicy. Like that's just.
It didn't hit me until the end. In the beginning, I was like, oh, I can't handle this. I can handle this?
Like.
Nah. What pepper is that? That's scary.
Nah, that's spicy. It's making me go. That's what caliente. It's the green salsa.
That's verde? Isn't verde not supposed to be that hot?
Well, it depends on the place.
That's hot. I'm scanning this. I'm scanning it.
Get closer and then hold it. I press it and hold it.
There you go. It told me to scan it, so
Josh.
I'm gonna scan it. Oh, there's other ones? That's scary.
Well, thank you. This is above half of the spice level.
That's a lot. For me. Oh, it's just a win. One out exclusive. I don't need that. I don't need to win anything. It's okay.
Yo, this is hot.
Just sponsor me. We'll do more of this and I'll die. It's okay. I'll die on camera.
Oh my god.
That's hot. And that was just...
That was just one chip.
I'm dead.
Almost forgot to rate these because of how hot they were.
Yeah, we almost gotta rate these. Because these were really hot. I mean, if you enjoy really hot, that's an 8. Because it has flavor. But it's packing with flavor. And for me, it's just not a meat chip. In terms of hot, I'll give it an 8. Okay? How about that?
I'm gonna give them a 9 because they say what they are, spicy. Unlike other things that we tried that's so spicy and it's like a little tinkle.
That killed me though.
It got me sucking my tongue. But it also has flavor. Like you can
There's
legit
flavor
taste
in
the
that. It tastes like
verde
actual
sauce.
pepper. Like you crunching into a pepper.
That was good.
That was good.
These are 9.
Alright. That's an 8 for me. Alright, Giovanni, what was your favorite? Okay. Mine is the spicy dill pickle. Yummy-licious. Eat another one just because I need to get that out of my mouth. Mm. You can do no harm.
Oh man.
This episode, damn, we died from one chip.
Imagine that Carolina Reaper chip.
Oh, that one chip challenge, bro.
Oh man.
It's like $20 just for that one chip.
I couldn't. I just couldn't. I'd go to the hospital because I think I'm dying.
Bro, if we ate 5 of these, I think we would have died. You know what's funny? I could barely speak because of this. If you hear my voice, because of that. But yeah, it was a good episode. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Turn those post notifications on. Comment down below what you would want to try. And peace out, everyone.